The longer it takes, the less chance you're going to get through this, and it means that maybe at the end of the day, on a Thursday, you may not be able to pass on that information to whoever's involved. Okay, so let's get back to it. That was the throwing. Any questions? No, pretty simple. Like I said, come to your target, hand it to the picture. All you need to explain. Okay, now we're going to move on to a little bit of catching. Okay, I'm going to talk to you a little bit about the coaching points so you can engage doing it. What I want you to do is think about having your two little pinkies together, put it up pressed, and then split your fingers. Okay, can you see the big cup? Making sure that when it's up in the air, using that cup to catch it. Okay, the bigger the target, the more likelihood that you'll get it into that palm and then close your fingers. Two coaching points. Two little fingers together, fingers spread out wide. Okay, that's all you need to explain. Think of it as a cup. Okay, so each person coming up, grabbing a tennis ball. I want you to throw the ball up in the air about 10 times and catch it. Okay, if you don't have a tennis ball, just share it 10 times. Come around.